What's up guys, welcome to another episode of ITI English Phrases. By the way, my name's Jonathan, and by the way is our phrase for today. By the way shows you want to add some new information. This is usually different from or less important than the main topic. For example, imagine you're chatting at work. See you later at the meeting. By the way, can you bring the agenda? Notice how we add by the way before the new information. This phrase works in writing as well. For instance, let's say you're typing an email. Dear Ms. Lin, thanks for confirming your appointment. By the way, the time has changed to 3 p.m. Like last time, we add by the way before the new information. So now you know how to use by the way. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and check out all the latest news on our Facebook page. And I'll see you guys in the next one.